Expense management software versus accounting platforms. Which one is better for controlling costs? Most companies get this wrong by assuming that expense management and accounting platforms are interchangeable. The surprising truth is that while both help with finances, they serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can make a big difference in controlling costs. Expense management software, like Expensivy, Concur, or Redo, is designed to track, approve, and report employee spending in real time. It automates receipt capture, enforces company spending policies, and helps managers spot unusual or unauthorized expenses quickly. For example, a sales team submitting travel expenses can upload receipts via their mobile app, automatically categorizing costs and triggering manager approvals instantly. Expense management tools give organizations immediate visibility into where money is being spent and enable proactive cost control. Accounting platforms, such as QuickBooks, Xero, or Sage, focus on the broader financial picture, including bookkeeping, invoicing, payroll, and financial reporting. They are essential for tracking overall revenues, expenses, and ensuring compliance with tax regulations. For instance, an accounting team can reconcile bank statements, generate profit and loss statements, and prepare quarterly tax filings. Accounting platforms are invaluable for maintaining accurate records and understanding financial health, but they often operate after the fact rather than in real time. The key difference is real-time control versus comprehensive financial management. Expense management software provides immediate oversight of day-to-day spending, helping prevent overspending and enforce budgets, while accounting platforms consolidate and report on all financial data for long-term analysis and compliance. Most effective organizations integrate both expense management software for immediate cost control and accounting platforms for strategic financial planning. The takeaway is clear: if your goal is to monitor employee spending, enforce policies, and control costs proactively, expense management software is your best bet. If your priority is accurate financial records, tax compliance, and overall accounting, an accounting platform is essential. The surprising truth is that combining both systems provides the most powerful approach, giving real-time control over costs while maintaining a clear view of your company's financial health.